Hello, you're doing great. And in today's video, we're going to discuss rationalizing denominators with surds. And this is part two of the surds lesson. So here we got the instructions saying, rationalize each denominator and simplify your answer. So let's start with the first one here. To rationalize, it means that I want to get rid of the surd in the denominator. So getting rid of the surd in the denominator, if I have it this way, like root of 3, I can just simply multiply by root of 3 down and root of 3 up. So it is up and down. So what is this going to be equal to? 1 times root of 3 is root of 3 over root of 3 times root of 3 is 3. And this way, I rationalized the denominator. All right, the next one, what are we supposed to do? You're supposed to do the same thing exactly. I got a third down there. I need to get rid of it. So what am I going to do? I'm going to multiply by root of 5 down, root of 5 up equals root of 5 times 1 is root of 5 over 2 stays the same. Root of 5 times root of 5 is just 5. So it is root of 5 over 10. And this way, I rationalize the denominator. The next one is just the same as the first question. Let's try to look for different levels here. Okay, I want to practice one more of the last level that we've just done. Here, I'm going to just multiply up and down by root of 6. Up and down. So it is going to be 2 root of 6 over here. 3 stays the same. Root of 6 times root of 6 is just 6. So the answer is what? 2 root of 6 over 18. You cannot leave it this way. Why, mister? Because they said in the heading of the question that rationalize the denominator, then simplify. If possible, sometimes it's not, but in this case here, it is possible. So the 2 with the 18 divided by 2 equals 1 over 9. So it is root of 6 remaining from the top over 9. Mister, what if I got a denominator this way, like root of 2 plus 1? Can I rationalize by just multiplying it by root of 2? No, you can't. So what can we do? You're going to just need to multiply here by root of 2 minus 1 and up by root of 2 minus 1 as well. So multiply up and down by the same denominator, but change the sign. Okay, equals. Up, you're going to just expand the brackets. So it is 4 multiplied by what? Huh? Yes, 4 multiplied by root of 2, then 4 multiplied by negative 1. So it is going to be here 4. Or you know what? I prefer that you leave it this way in the beginning until we make sure that there is nothing to simplify with the 4 from the numerator. We'll see now what I mean. So here, we have just done 4 multiplied by root of 2 minus 1, and we left it this way for now, over root of 2 plus 1 times root of 2 minus 1. When you have two pairs of brackets this way with that are identical, but only the difference is in the signs, the only difference is the signs, so just multiply first by first, then second by second. Root of 2 times root of 2 is just 2. 1 times negative 1 is just negative 1. So what is going to be left in the new denominator? Nothing. I must say 2 minus 1 is just 1. So it is everything up over 1, which is just everything that is in the numerator. We don't have a denominator. Nothing to simplify. Excellent. So I can just leave it for root of 2 minus 1 in brackets, or you can expand whatever you'd like to do. Both are going to be correct. All right. Next one here. Mister, how can I simplify? How can I rationalize this? Multiply by root of 5 minus root of 2. Up and down. Root of 5 minus root of 2. So what is the answer going to be? I'm going to get here a different color to avoid confusion. 3 root of 5 multiplied by root of 5. First, we're going to expand the brackets. So it's going to be 3 times root of 5 times root of 5 is 5, minus 3 times 1 is just 3, times root of 5 times root of 2 is root of 10, over, multiply first by first, which is root of 5 times root of 5 is just 5, root of 2 times root of 2 is just 2, equals, let's simplify. 3 by 5 is 15, minus 3 root of 10, over 5 minus 2 is what? 3. Mister, can I leave it this way? I prefer not. Why, mister? Because they said to simplify. Uh, what can I simplify? You can factorize the denominator, the numerator. So get the 3 out. 15 divided by 3 is 5, minus root of 10. All is over 3, which is equal to, bye-bye to this. 5 minus root of 10. Same steps exactly with the next question and the others as well. Nothing is new in any of them. Okay. This here is for independent practice. If you'd like to practice on your own, you can just zoom in, and this is for independent practice. I'm going to zoom in for you. You can pause the video, take a screenshot of it, and you can rationalize these fractions. Look at this here. They're saying to you simplifying and solving with surds, and they're giving you such a question. They're telling you 10 root of x equals 20 root of 2. Find the value of x. Uh, Mister, they are not exactly the same. I need the 20 to be 10 as well. No problem, let's do this. So 10 root of x equals, can you make the 20 into 10 times something? Yes, mister, it is 10 times 2. Okay, but can you make it into a surd or a root? Yes, 20. Let's just do like this. 20 is 10 times 2, then times root of 2, which is already there. Then 10 root of x equals, it is a mister 10 times root of 4 times root of 2. مش 2 ديت هي root of 4? Yes, which is 10 root of x. I'm doing it step by step just for you to see how it works. 10 times root of 8. So what is the x? X equals 8. You see this? I just needed the two forms to be, or the two sides to be identical. I needed this. It's 10 root of x. This 20 root of 2. I need this also to be a 10. So I changed whatever I needed to change in order to make them at the end look the same. I made the 20 10 times 2, but I changed the 2 into root of 4, which is going to lead to root of 8. So 10 root of 8. X is 8. Next, same thing exactly. I'm going to play the same game. As you see here, I got 9a. Oh, but there is a mistake in here. Let me first erase this. This is 45, okay? It is 45. So I got here 9a plus 4a root of 2 equals 45 plus b root of 2. Mister, these two are exactly the same. It's 4a equals b. Yes, and 9a, mister, is like 45. It is equal. So these are the like terms. I got this one with this, and I got this one here with that. I changed the color. This one here with that. You see? Okay, so 9a equals 45. And I got 4a root of 2 equals b root of 2. So 9a equals 45. What is a? A equals 45 divided by 9 is just 5. I found a, mister. Good. Let's go to the other side. You found already a. A is 5. So 5 times 4, 20 root of 2 equals b root of 2. Yeah, but b is what? Root of 2 and root of 2 are the same. B is 20. B is 20. Next. Here, I got here 7 root of a, and so I'm gonna just highlight first the like terms. The like terms here, I got this with blue and this. These are the like terms. So I've got here that 7 root of a is equal to k root of a. So what is k? Oh, Mr. Root of a and root of a are the same. K is 7 actually. So k equals 7. That is k. Good. But what about a? Yes, I got the rest here. You see, a plus 2. If this is the same as this, then a plus 2 is the same as 7. So a plus 2 equals 7. A equals, under their negative, a equals 5. Look at the coming one here. Mister, I got here negative 10x, or just 10x because the other one also has x and has negative in it. So I can say 10x, 10 root of x, 10 root of x is the same as 20 root of 2. Okay, let's continue. So, and I got here 25 plus x is the same as the rest of the other side. Why? Okay, next, let's try to find x here. Mister, this is 10 root of x equals, I need 10 root of something. The same game exactly that we played a few minutes ago. I'm going to make this 10 times root times 2 times root of 2. So 10 root of x equals, Mister, I'm going to make this root of 4. The 2, I'm going to make it root of 4. And root of 4 times root of 2, root of 8. So I'm going to make this root of 4 times the root of 2 is root of 8. يبقى 10 root of 8. X is what? X is 8. Found that x is 8? Yes, but I haven't found y yet. So 25 plus 8 equals y. Y is simply 33. Expand and simplify the following. Oh, fine, Mister. Here it is 5 plus 3 root of 2. In brackets 5. Sorry. 5 plus 3 root of 2. 5, first by first, first by second, second by first, second by second is going to be here. First by first is 25, then 15 root of 2, then 15 root of 2, then 9 times 2, which is 18. So this is 18. 3 times 3 is 9, root of 2 times root of 2 is 2, so 9 times 2 is 18. Let's simplify. This 15 root of 2, 15 root of 2 is 30 root of 2. Plus 25 and 18 is going to give you exactly 35. Is going to give you 43 exactly. That's it. Okay. I want to share with you a question from the classified. It is the first question actually in this lesson. When they say to you root of 48 plus root of 108, they want it in the form. They want this in the form. Why did it go up? They want this in the form k root of 6. Okay, Mister, I'm going to simplify this as much as possible, but I want root of 6. So this is definitely what this is. Something times root of 6. Well, this is something times root of 6. So you're going to find out that this is root of 8 times root of 6. Gives you root of 48. And this gives you root of, if you do 108 divided by 6, is going to give you exactly 18, root of 18. Let's simplify this more. Root of 8, Mister, is going to be what? Root of 8 is going to be, or you can actually, let's do it that way, okay. So root of 8, it's actually root of 4 times root of 2 times root of 6, right? So I broke root of 8 into root of 4 and root of 2. in order to simplify it. Plus, root of 18 is actually root of 9 times root of 2 times root of 6. So you're going to find that this is equal to what? Root of 4 is 2. So it is 2 root of 2 times root of 6 plus root of 9 is 3. So 3 root of 2 times root of 6 equals, what are we supposed to do, mister? Here, you can just add 3 root of 2 because we're multiplying by the same thing. Uh, just imagine as if you're saying it to yourself here. Look at this question here. If I'm saying it to you, 3, no, I want to change the color. If I'm saying it to you, 3 times 2 plus 4 times 2. You can say to me, mister, it is 6 plus 8, which is 14, right? Yes, 3 times 2 is 6, 4 times 2 is 8. It is 6 plus 8 is 14. Yes, this is right. Or you can say another thing. Mister, I'm multiplying both of them by 2. I'm multiplying the 3 by 2 and the 4 by 2. So it is exactly as if I'm multiplying 3 plus 4 is what? 7. Exactly as if I'm multiplying 7 by 2, which is also 14. So I can simply add these two that are multiplied by 2. Both of them are multiplied by 2, so 3 plus 4 is 7 times 2 is 14. Same way. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing here. Why did you explain this semester? In order to simplify it for you, it is the same as this. I'm multiplying this by root of 6, and I'm multiplying this by also root of 6. I can add both of them up. So it's going to be what? 2 root of 2 plus 3 root of 2 is actually 5 root of 2 times root of 6. That's it. No, Mr. They told me in the question, I'm sorry I didn't write it, K is a surd. K is a surd. You can leave it this way. Well, let's get the 5 inside. As if he's saying it is a Mr. root of 25 times root of 2 times root of 6. So root of 25 times root of 2 is what? Root of 50 times root of 6. Now I got K. What is K? K is root of 50. If this is a little bit confusing for you, please watch it again. It's going to help you a lot when you watch it for the second time. Thank you so much, everyone, and see you in another video.